Yes, in the previous class we have discussed about two chapters, and then I given project work also on the two chapters. I hope all you have done that project work to get the signature in the regular class. So today I will discuss about the next chapter, that is pair of linear equations in two variables. It is very important chapter. About this information you have learned in the earlier class, means in the 9th standard and in the 8th standard also you have learned about the linear equations in one variable and two variables. Okay, in the 8th standard you have learned about what is an equation and what is an expression, means algebraic expression, and what is polynomial, what is monomial, what is binomial, and what is trinomial, like this. Okay, already you well known about the polynomials because its previous chapter is polynomials, second chapter is polynomials. What is polynomial? The algebraic expression, it contains more than two or three terms, that is called it as a polynomial. It is denoted by p of x, that p of x is equals to an x raised to n plus an minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 plus an minus 2 x raised to n minus 2 plus so on plus a1 x raised to 1 plus a0 x raised to 0. In the indices you have learned x raised to 0 is equals to 1, right? It means last term we will get a0 into 1, in the sense a0, that is the constant term. It means this is called it as a general form of polynomial. Yes, I will take that p of x, that polynomial p of x, it is equals to 0. It is equals to 0. So it is equals to 0 in the sense it indicates that it has the specific roots, it has the specific zeros, right? It is a rational polynomial, rational function. Mathematically it is called as what? A function. If that function it is called it as rational, then it is equals to 0. So that p of x is equals to 0. Yes, that functions in the mathematics, the functions are denoted by f of x. If f of x is equals to 0, that is called as equation. If that f of x is not equals to 0, that is called it as a mathematical function. It may be rational or irrational. Okay, if it is irrational, that f of x is not equals to 0. If it is rational, f of x is equals to 0. If that mathematical function f of x is equals to rational or f of x is equals to 0, that is called it as mathematical equation, right? Yes, here also same, that polynomial I will consider linear polynomial, that p of x is equals to ax plus b, right? Linear polynomial p of x is equals to ax plus b. It means what? That ax plus b, x it is an variable, a it is the coefficient of x, and that b is the constant term, isn't it? Okay, yes, the highest power of the variable is 1, therefore that is called it as what? Linear polynomial. Okay, yes, it gives the straight line nature of the graph. Yes, I will consider the quadratic polynomial, that p of x is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. Yes, in this case that the highest power of the variable is 2, right? It means what? Ax square plus bx. Yes, it has three terms. One it is ax square, second one it is bx, third one it is the constant term c, isn't it? Okay, the highest power of the variable is 2, therefore it is called it as what? Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, that is p of x is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. So I will take this linear polynomial or quadratic polynomial. You put p of x is equals to 0, what will happen? Yes, in the linear polynomial I put P of x is equals to 0. Yes, it becomes ax plus b is equals to 0. Ax plus b is equals to 0. It means ax plus b is equals to 0, and then you take this plus b into RHS, and it becomes minus here. Ax is equals to minus b, and you have to find the value of ax is equals to minus b divided by a, like this, that x is equals to minus b divided by a be the root of the given polynomial, linear polynomial p of x is equals to ax plus b, right? Yes, already I put p of x is equals to 0 in the sense that is a rational polynomial, rational in the sense that has specific root. Okay, yes, mathematically it is called as what? Rational function. Rational function, that rational function itself, it is called as what? An equation. An equation, that equation, it contains only one variable, therefore that equation is known as what? Equation in one variable. If the equation it contains two variables, if the equation it contains two variables, that equations are called as what? Equations in two variables, right? That equations in two variables. Yes, if the highest power of the variables is equals to 1, if the highest power of the variables is equals to 1, I will consider one equation, that is what? Ax plus by plus c, ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. See, x and y, these two are the variables in this equation, isn't it? Okay, that x, its highest power is 1, and y, its highest power is 1. So in this equation, the highest power of the variables is equals to 1. Therefore this equation is known as what? Linear equation. Linear equation in one variable and two variable, because two variables are there, right? Okay, yes, this equation is known as what? Linear equation in two variables. I will take one example here. That example, it is given in your textbook in the introductory part. Yes, in the page number 38 and 39 it is given. You have to follow that. Okay, its remaining part I will discuss in the next class. Yes, I will start from a pair of linear equation in two variables. From the 39th page I will discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you.